For homeowners in Clinton Township, creating a home that feels bright, open, and welcoming is always a top priority. One of the simplest yet most dramatic upgrades you can make is installing picture windows. These large, fixed-pane windows are designed to frame outdoor views like works of art while filling your home with natural light. Beyond their beauty, picture windows can completely transform both the interior atmosphere and exterior curb appeal of your home. A clear view to the outdoors. One of the greatest benefits of picture windows is their ability to connect your living space with the outdoors. Unlike other windows that have grids or movable sashes, picture windows are a single, uninterrupted pane of glass. This design provides panoramic views of your yard, garden, or surrounding Clinton Township landscapes. Year-round enjoyment of seasonal changes, from colorful autumn leaves to the bright greens of spring. A more open feel inside your home, as the outdoors becomes a natural extension of your living space. For families who enjoy entertaining, picture windows also make gatherings feel more expansive and lively by bringing the outdoors in. Transforming natural light indoors. Natural light has the power to change how a room feels, and picture windows are unmatched in this area. With their large, fixed glass panes, they allow sunlight to pour into your home throughout the day. This means brighter interiors without relying on artificial lighting. Improved mood and comfort, since natural light is proven to boost energy and reduce stress. Showcasing your decor, as sunlight highlights textures, colors, and design features in your living space. Rooms that once felt dark or cramped can be instantly revitalized with a well-placed picture window, making your home feel more open and inviting. Boosting curb appeal and home value. From the outside, picture windows add a modern, stylish look to Clinton Township homes. Their sleek design can elevate architectural appeal, whether your home is contemporary or traditional. Highlight key spaces, such as a living room, dining area, or entryway, with a striking visual focal point. Increase resale value, as potential buyers are drawn to homes with bright, airy interiors and updated exteriors. Investing in picture windows is not only about comfort, it's also about making a smart choice for your property's long-term value. Energy efficiency and performance. Modern picture windows are built with advanced technology that ensures beauty doesn't come at the expense of comfort. Many options available to Clinton Township homeowners include double or triple pane glass for improved insulation, low E coatings to block harmful UV rays while keeping indoor temperatures comfortable, durable frames designed to withstand Michigan's weather conditions, from cold winters to humid summers. Because picture windows don't open or close, they are often more energy efficient than operable styles, helping you maintain consistent indoor temperatures and lower utility bills. Customization to fit your style. Picture windows are not one size fits all. Homeowners can personalize their windows with different shapes and sizes, from dramatic floor to ceiling designs to accent windows. Frame finishes that match your home's color palette and design. Combination options, pairing picture windows with casement or double-hung windows for ventilation and flexibility. This flexibility allows you to design windows that not only look beautiful but also serve the unique needs of your home. Final thoughts for Clinton Township homeowners looking to make a meaningful change: picture windows deliver style, light, and long-term value. They create a seamless connection between your home's interior and the outdoors while enhancing curb appeal and boosting efficiency. Whether you're remodeling or simply updating your windows, picture windows are an investment that transforms your home inside and out.